Welcome back to our channel. We are back with another video of our Montenegro trip. In today's video, we will be sharing with you our Kotor boat ride experience. The boat tour starts from Kotor Bay. The streets of Kotor are quite busy and finding a parking slot takes time. So we started early so we could start our boat ride on time. We had to wait a lot to get a parking spot, but finally we made it on time.
Yay! Adi!
Yay!
We opted for the Sea Stars boat tours of Kotor. We booked a private tour for 3 hours. The tour was quite like this. We started from Kotor Bay Marina. Our first stop was the Lady of the Rock Island. From there we were taken to the submarine tunnel and finally to the Blue Caves. So here starts our journey. Enjoying the beautiful breathtaking views, we reached our first spot of the day, the Lady of the Rocks Islet. According to legend, the islet was made over the centuries by local seamen who kept an ancient oath after finding the icon of Madonna and Child on the rock in the sea in July 1452. Upon returning from each successful voyage, they laid a rock in the bay. Over time, the islet gradually emerged from the sea. The Catholic Church of Our Lady of the Rocks is the main building on the islet, and it has a museum attached to it. There is also a small gift shop close to the church and a navigation light at the western end of the islet. We visited on the month of October and the place was crowded with tourists. The church was renovated in 1722. The church contains 68 paintings by Trippo Coccolia, a famous 17th century Baroque artist from Pirest. There are also paintings by Italian artists and an icon of Our Lady of the Rocks. You will get this beautiful panoramic view of the surrounding area from this point. After visiting the island of Our Lady of the Rocks, we were taken to the next spot of the day, which is a fascinating piece of history. Our next spot was a submarine tunnel built during the 1970s by the Yugoslav Navy. This tunnel was designed to stealthily host submarines and small ships during the Cold Wars. The entrance of the tunnel features a peculiar construction covered with fake rocks, which was designed to make the spot invisible to unsuspecting eyes. There are a series of similar tunnels built by the Yugoslav army along the coasts of Montenegro and Croatia. Our next and final destination of the day was the spectacular Blue Caves. The Blue Cave is also called the Blue Grotto. It's an amazing sea cave that is one of the most popular attractions on the coast near Kotor. For this beautiful glowing blue water, the cave got its name. There are quite a few entrances to the cave, and we were taken to one after the other. As you can see, the cave entrance is quite small, which is only accessible with small boats. It's also a good idea to time the tide, because at high tide it's almost impossible to enter or escape. Most of the tourists enjoy swimming in this crystal clear, glowing blue water. And seeing this alluring blue water, Abhi could not resist himself and he also took a dip. Now it's time to return. The lands on the left from here is Croatia. The Kotor boat tours is one of the best experiences of Montenegro, which provides some best beautiful views of the mountains surrounding Kotor. If and when you are in Kotor, you must experience this boat tour to enjoy some of the best views and of course to visit the Blue Caves. Every day, these cruises bring tourists to Kotor. So this was all about today's video. We hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, please like the video, give your valuable feedbacks and share the video with your friends and family. We will be back soon with our other experiences in Montenegro. So stay tuned. And if you have not yet watched our previous video of Kotor Cable Car, please do watch it. Link is given in the description box. You will enjoy it. Thanks for watching.